Yo, what's up mga ka-runners? So today, meron tayong LSD. So 1 hour and 20 minutes na easy run with party run natin ng 6 sets ng 15 km sprint after na itong easy run. Approximately mga 13 kilometers to kung 7 minutes ang pacing natin. Then sabayan ko na rin ng fuel intake na Yuma Gel. Tapos trinay ko na rin yung Honey Stinger kanina bago tayo mag-run. So let's go! Run safe guys! Hey! 1K, 6:19. 2K, 6:39. 4K, 7:33. First gel done. 5K, 7:57. 6K, 7:41. 8K, 7:37. Second gel in. 9K, 7:27. 10K, 6:26. 11K, 7:01. 12K, 7:42, 13K, 6:54, 14K, 7:42. So that's our LSD run with a total of 14 kilometers here at Concho Road and Treze Road. So di naman tayo sumakit ng tiyan sa mga electrolytes gel na ininom na. And nakatulong yung gel sa atin para makapag-maintain ng energy. So hindi pa tayo masyadong pagod and yung muscles natin sa legs kayang-kaya pa. So that's it for now. I hope I encourage you once again to stay active, to be healthy, and always run for your life for a better living. So yun pa rin, kita-kits sa Windmill Run. Let's go, peace, and run safe.